We are at Moti Daman. Now we are heading to Nani Daman. I have identified like a water park, theme park kind of thing on the map. So never been there before. So we'll see. We'll see how it is. If it's good, if it's not good. And according to Google Maps, apparently there is boating over there, boating and a train ride. So we'll check it out. It's around 20 kilometers from here. Sorry, 20 minutes from here. Maybe 5 or 6 kilometers from here, not very far. So see you there. Guys, we are at Marisol Resort and the parking is free over here. We've parked the car and we are walking towards the resort. So my plan is to go boating because I love boating.
And the train ride.
And the train ride. Train ride, okay, I prefer it's a toy train for kids. But I prefer real trains any day. I love the Indian Railways and I am a big fan of the Indian Railways actually. I haven't told you guys this, but now I'm telling you. And so expect some train journeys and all to come your way because I love trains. So we'll see you at the park. This is the entry fee. It's only 10 rupees per person, which is very surprising. So guys, my first impression about this place is that it seems really nice and very reasonable. 10 rupees entry fee. Now we are headed to the pedal boat area. Guys, check out the pedal boats, very nice. The water looks very clean. There's no garbage or anything anywhere here. Lovely. Very beautiful.
Turtle.
Where?
Turtle.
Where?
See that? See that? Dived in.
Where?
It's like chasing the fish.
Very big fish over here and turtles.
See that tiny.
Lovely. Cute, and the turtle is cute.
Big fish, love.
Very big, massive fish.
Wow.
There won't be fishing here now, so the population will be very good. Yeah. They have the speedboat rides as well. I think it seems to me like a circular lake, like with an island in the center and water all around.
Turtle.
We'll go, love.
Yeah.
What a nice place, love. What nice breeze. I'm excited to go on the boat. Huh? Love, what is the name of this flower? Shoe flower? No. This in my grandfather's house. he had this tree. We used to climb up. It's called in Malayalam. It's called Champaka tree. I think so. I'm not very sure. Champaka.
Is it champa?
Champaka.
No, is it the champa that we say normally?
No idea. I think that's what they used to call it over there. See, love, they have a Christmas tree over here. They have a gaming center for kids with video games and
Restaurant.
air hockey. I can see air hockey. And a restaurant over here. Very nice, huh? See the red shufla, love, over here.
Nice place. Today is the
Strong breeze.
Wednesday, right?
Cool breeze, na? You're not feeling the
Wednesday
heat.
Also it's crowded, huh? Not crowded, but it's still full.
Yeah, what are the charges? Family boat, big motor boat. One full round max 10%. Couple boat. Love, that's what we want. Couple boat. 200. For how many minutes is it? See guys, this is the rate sheet for the boating. This is all the rates.
Dragon boat.
Huh?
This is a dragon boat now. Oh, that one.
Swan, love. I don't think it's a dragon.
No,
It's a
that is a
swan.
dragon. There's one dragon boat, I think.
What is special about it?
Nothing, just a dragon face.
We'll take the regular. Huh?
That's for 4 adults, no? So according to that, that's
We'll take the regular couple boat. Just 2 of us. No? ये पेडल बोट 2 जन के लिए कितना है? 2 जन के लिए पेडल बोट कितना है? Nice to be ignored. Nice it feels to be ignored. कितना है 2 जन के लिए? और कितना टाइम के लिए? 20 मिनट 20 मिनट्स एक दीजिए. थैंक यू. कम लव, लेट्स गो. Be careful, it's a little loose, these planks. Look down and walk, love. You'll wear a life jacket, no? I don't need. You wear. एक लाइफ जैकेट दीजिए ना मैडम के लिए.
लाइफ जैकेट आगे रख दीजिए. सर जी,
हाँ.
डायरेक्शन है घुमाने का.
हाँ वो मालूम है.
लेफ्ट जाएंगे
मालूम
लेफ्ट
है.
घुमाएगा, राइट जाएंगे राइट घुमाएगा. आगे पैडल मरेगी तो आगे होगा, पीछे मरेगी तो पीछे होगा. पैडल ना
हाँ.
मरेगी, खड़ा रहेगा.
हाँ.
मगर जाइए, आधा घंटा घूम के आइए.
हाँ,
तो
ठीक
क्या
है.
आप लोग का जो खुशी हो जाएगा, चाय पानी देख लीजिएगा.
हाँ ठीक है.
जाइए, आइए घूम कर पूरा. आइए सर, जाइए मारिए पैडल.
I want to go in the shade, but there's some shade.
That side, in the corners. Don't dash on anybody else's, huh? Love. Shade you want to go, no? That side you have to go, love.
No, I'm going that side now. Very little shade over here.
Shade is here.
There's not enough shade here. So guys, we are in a pedaling boat, and the
On a swan.
it's a swan-shaped pedaling boat. Riding the swan, and that guy was the gentleman who gave us the boat, he said that we have 20 minutes, but he said you can take 30 minutes also if you want. Love, move your legs off that. You're just weighing it down.
No,
Move
I'm
it.
doing it which
You're doing?
direction, whichever direction you are doing.
You're
I'm
doing?
Then what? Shauna.
So remove this bag for me.
You handle this.
Bag you remove for me.
Okay, you handle that.
I love to handle that. My favorite
Always
it
want
is.
to be in charge. That's a dragon boat.
Huh?
That's a dragon boat.
Correct.
4-seater. That's a 4-seater.
Four-seater, no? So guys, really good fun. Pedal boats. I love pedal boats. I want to know something. Am I the only adult who likes pedal boats, or are there other adults who like pedal boats?
You're the only adult. No, even I like.
I don't know. It feels like a child's thing, but I don't know. I enjoy it. It's like we are captain of our own ship, no? Like
We can go under that bridge.
we go where we want to go.
Under that bridge.
Huh? We'll go, love. We'll go one full round. We'll
That
go
also
under the
there
bridge.
is.
Yeah.
Exposure.
Sarina's pedaling very hard. She's doing the heavy lifting. I'm doing the easy work. I'm just acting like I'm pedaling.
Oh, it's hot this side.
Yeah. Hey, look, they blocked this off. This
Yeah.
because of those cables. I think they are power cables or something. Power lines maybe. Hey, look at the turtles. Look at the turtles over there.
Oh my!
Big line, full line of them.
From that side we'll get
From that side we'll show you.
yeah.
We'll show you guys from that side. Full line of turtles.
Real, no?
I don't know.
Or
Look,
just fake?
I think real love. I think real. Real turtles. See, the train tracks run all the way around the lake. And in the center is a restaurant and the gaming center and everything.
I feel like
See?
sitting here, nice breeze.
See, check out the train. I think there are two trains, right, love?
Yeah.
Yellow and-
Yellow one and one is the white one.
Till now, I have not seen the white train. Only Sarina has seen
It
the white
left
train.
while you were outside. I think
Acha.
it's there now at the station. Because we need minimum at least 6 people on board to run that train.
Acha. So we're planning to go for the train ride as well after this. Looks like it's gonna rain, guys. Dark clouds up ahead. Coming our
I'm
way.
going to relax a bit.
Don't keep it here on the radar. I need the movement. Keep it here now. Top of that. Keep it here, love.
Yeah, you're the turtles were here.
I think a little ahead.
On this log or something that's on the that was blocking that path, no?
Yeah. They were sitting on the rocks, not on the log.
Yeah, but that log was there behind it.
Lovely, yeah. Lovely to see such big fish.
Love, they're fake, I think. Why are they sitting in the same position otherwise?
They're real. They're not fake, love.
Oh, they're real.
Stop it.
I saw one shaking. Will it stay in one place, this boat, or it will go ahead and hit other
It
way?
won't hit. It won't hit. I am controlling. Just
Oh, they're moving, they're moving.
Love, if I pedal reverse, you also pedal reverse. Okay. Guys, check it out. Line of turtles. So cool, huh? To see so many of them.
All in the same position, huh? Their heads high.
They're getting a
one
little
jumped
scared.
into the
One
water.
jumped into the water. The second one is going to jump.
Yeah.
Second one jumped. So I'm not getting too close because of that.
Oh, that one also went.
All of them are jumping in.
One
Che.
left.
Che.
That side is a little dirty. Only one brave heart is there standing solo, independent.
Guys, I wanted to tell you something. What I've noticed is that most places in India, most lakes, rivers, water bodies, they're all overfished. So fish population is very less. And to come across a place like this way where there is so much of fish and so many big fish in the water and turtles and marine life, it's something really unique and amazing, especially for us people in India. I think there must be some, they may not be allowing fishing over here, which is why there is so much of fish population. So I just wanted to tell you that it's not common for us Indians to see this many fish in one place. Saw that big guy? He just popped up, put his head above the water and went down.
Turtle or fish?
Fish, I think so. I couldn't see very clearly. Fish, I think. See, I don't know if you guys saw the fish because we're shooting from the phone and we don't have any zoom capability. But if I can, I'll show you. I'll try and take a close up of the fish. I mean, I'll go right next to the fish and shoot them.
There you can
Yeah.
see.
See the fish.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
There.
Don't pedal now. They'll get scared and they'll run away. Swim away, rather. I hope you guys can see the fish, big fish.
You have to move that side, huh? When the sprays are water, the fountain.
Check out the palm tree, love. So many palm trees.
It's lining all along the lake.
Yeah. All around the lake, they've planted palm trees. So beautiful. If you guys come to Daman, I think this is a must come.
Yeah.
You must come and visit this place. It's really lovely.
ऊपर पर
ये वहाँ पे रख दूँ.
ना रखो दीजिए.
Guys, right now we are heading towards our train ride. We finished with the boating. Boating was excellent. It was really nice, good fun. In fact, I feel like going again one more round. But we don't have that much time. We have to head back to Mumbai as well. So we'll do one round in the train. And then we'll see what to do next. By the way, forgot to mention that they also have a water park at the back. On the other side, they have a water park. Don't know about the rates or anything. Didn't inquire because we don't have time on this trip to enjoy the water park. Maybe in the next trip we'll go to the water park. Let's see. Chalo. See you at the train. कितने का ट्रेन राइड
50
एक जन के लिए 2 टिकट दीजिए। टाइम लगेगा क्या ट्रेन के लिए? थैंक यू। होल्ड ऑन टू माई वॉलेट लव।
I can hold on to it forever if you want.
होल्ड ऑन टिल द मनी रन्स आउट। You don't know my debit card number.
It's such a nice compartment.
Back one will take love. The back.
This one, back or front?
Backpack is more fun.
Similarly, that is middle and back. But this is more longer. No?
Same, it is all same. Same.
Okay.
Come here.
Want sit here or sit that side?
Sit there. Sit here anywhere. Wherever you want to sit, sit.
I'm putting your wallet in this, so you go and put it in.
Put it in that. We took the train ticket. 50 rupees per person. So also bought this popcorn because apparently there's a waiting time. They wait for a certain amount of people to buy tickets before they let a train go. So there are no fans in this train, but the weather is so good that it's not required. The breeze is very strong,
This is
cool breeze. Yeah, and it's got very big windows. So they have just turned on the motor for the locomotive. They'll be leaving soon. Hey guys, they started that waterfall. When we went on a boat ride, that waterfall was off, but now they just turned it on. Hold the popcorn for me now. So guys, we are off to a rocky start. Stiff suspension, hard ride, but fun. Supposed to be like that.
Why they're bumping into each other?
All one group, no? Friends.
I think you are what?
This is the entrance of the water park over there. There is nothing like eating popcorn and enjoying a train ride. Guys, this brings us to the end of another vlog. Daman is a small place. It's not very big. If you look at it on the map, it's quite tiny. But there are a lot of things to do here and a lot of places to see and visit over here. So in this trip, we were not able to do all. Just 2 places we were able to visit because of lack of time. So we'll definitely be making more trips to Daman and exploring more of Daman in the future. Unfortunately, I'm working tomorrow. Fortunately and unfortunately, I'm working tomorrow. So we'll have to head back to Mumbai. And it's 6 p.m. right now, so it will take at least 4-5 hours to reach, around 190-200 kilometers. And the highway is not too good, so which is why it will take time. for us to reach home. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share it with the people who have similar interests. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.